What are the benefits of memorization? Have you ever wondered why memorization is such a big deal in learning? Let's break down the benefits of memorization and how it can supercharge your study sessions. First off, memorization builds a solid base of knowledge. When you memorize facts, you can quickly access essential details without constantly searching for them. This quick recall frees up your mind for higher-level thinking. For instance, if you memorize basic math facts, you can tackle more complex problems without pausing to remember the basics. Next, memorization improves your working memory efficiency. By organizing information into smaller chunks, you can process and hold onto information better. This technique, known as chunking, aligns with how our brains naturally work. Typically, our working memory can hold about 7 pieces of information at once, but grouping related facts can help you remember even more. Another significant benefit is that memorization enhances long-term retention. When combined with techniques like spaced repetition and active recall, memorization becomes even more effective. Instead of just rereading material, actively recalling what you have memorized and spacing out your review sessions helps transfer knowledge from short-term to long-term memory. Studying before you sleep can also aid in this process, making it easier to remember later. Memorization techniques like mnemonics, vivid imagery, and mind mapping can make learning more engaging. Associating information with memorable visuals creates strong mental connections that boost recall. Mind maps help you visually organize concepts and their relationships, supporting both understanding and memory. From a practical standpoint, memorization is not just about repeating information. It is about creating meaningful connections and organizing knowledge. This approach works well with speed reading and other study methods by providing a solid base of facts that can be quickly recognized and integrated into broader concepts during faster reading or review sessions. In summary, the benefits of memorization include faster recall of key information, improved working memory capacity, stronger long-term retention, and the ability to build on foundational knowledge for deeper learning. Using creative memorization methods alongside active study strategies can make your study time more efficient and effective.